All right, today I have an Infiniti QX series, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake on this particular Infiniti QX series. This particular QX series is an 80, okay? So the parking brake could be different on different models, but if your vehicle has the foot brake for the parking brake, this can apply to you. And I think it's on the 80. I'm not sure if it's on the 60, 55, or 50. Those might have a button, but I'm going to show you how to do it on this. So I'm sitting in the vehicle. I'm behind the steering wheel. And what I'm going to do is, if you look down, see this pedal right here? That pedal is push on, push off. That pedal is for the parking brake. Now my vehicle is in park. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right here. And what I do is I'm simply going to push this all the way down. Push it all the way down. Let me do it over. All right, so you see that? I'm going to take this and push it all the way down and release my foot off of it. And the parking brake is engaged. And indicator of that is if you look up on the instrument panel, you see that brake sign. That is the parking brake. Now, when I did this, my vehicle was in park. I was not moving. All right, now to turn it off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back down underneath here. You see that parking brake? I'm gonna go ahead and press it, and then it comes all the way up, and then I take my foot off, and the parking brake is disengaged. And if you look on the instrument panel, that light is no longer there. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.